Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Buskis Busleption, and today date is 12 of February 2022, and today our topic name is life cycle of object, life cycle of object in Java. First we will discuss with the creation and initialization of object in Java. The object references are created using one of two life cycle runtimes. First, the object references are created based on the class structure specified, and the second, the objects init method. If the objects does not have init method, the objects superclasses for an init method. Let us next point is the init method. An object's life cycle method init is a method. The init is a function named class. The purpose of init method is to populate a newly created object with the instance data. The init should return scalar true value. If the initialization is successful and false, the initialization is fails. The init method is unusable in that it cannot be called outside an object creation. This means that unlike most methods, you cannot call the init method on the object directly. We can however call the object. Next point is a implicit object. You can create a object reference to a new object in heap variable in one of two ways. First way, the implicit object creation method, the use of class name as a function name. Next is the object new function. The implicit method, the uses of name of the class structure as a function that creates a new object, and the with object new you supply the name of a class structure as its argument, and a new object creates a new object. In both methods, the new objects contains an instance of the class structure. The syntax of the object. The object 1 is equal to class name and parenthesis pass the argument. When create an object from a class structure, the object creates follow these steps. First is if the class structure has not been defined. If the structure is still not defined, object creation fails and issue an error. Next point is if the class structure has been defined, object creation creates an object heap variable containing a zero instance of the class structure. The once of a new object in a heap variable has been created, the object creation looks for a method function named as a class init. If an init method exists, it is called with a new object as its implicit self argument. The next point, it is called as the new object as an implicit self argument. The next, if the class has no init method, the usual method searching the rules of applied to find one from super classes. This is a discussion about the life cycle of object in Java. Thank you.